Hello.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today we are opening the premium BoxyCharm for February 2022.
Gonna unbox it and let all the charm out.
And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jennifer and this is my husband Aaron. He helps me with unboxings.
I do what I can.
And here on my channel, I do unboxings, a lot of unboxings. I do makeup stuff. And per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health issues and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of those topics, or say you're interested in all of those topics,
Or 3/4 of those topics.
then hey, why don't you hit that subscribe button and set tippity tap. Okay.
Click the thing.
Click the bell and set to all. I'm sorry, I said tippity tap. I got that from another YouTuber.
Some scrizzle on the izzle.
Set it to all, and so you will be notified every time that I upload a video. So if you're interested in seeing what is in this month's premium box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, thank you for clicking on this video and spending some time with us. These BoxyCharms, the premiums, I will leave a link below if you are interested in signing up with BoxyCharm, but they have raised their prices, and I know. And it's like close to $40 now, so hopefully they have some cool, interesting stuff. I know there's one thing in here that I am excited about. So let's open her up. You get 6 full-size items in the premium box.
Ooh, all right, we're already winning here. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, that's some good packing material right there.
Yeah, so this is what I'm excited about the most, is the Huda Beauty, or Huda Beauty, however you say it, Mercury Retrograde Palette.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
So, okay, first of all, you always get a little thing with their little theme for the month, which they try
Except
to be
when
so
you don't.
cute. Yeah, we've gotten boxes where there weren't those in there, and it is Be My Clementine.
Ah.
Okay, so I will give this to Aaron and let him read.
Oh, thank you, Jennifer.
Let him read about this palette.
Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look to infinity and beyond. Ooh, trademark violation. With ancient cosmic shades, with both neutral and bold shades, this palette delivers infinite possibilities. I mean, there's a limited number of color combinations. I mean, I don't know if they can say that it's infinite. I guess it's, you know, you can use different amounts, and the amounts have infinite variation of how much you use of each. So, I guess in that sense, yeah. Those are really pretty.
Yeah, it says there's like a glitter in here. I don't know which one is the glitter because a lot of them look really glittery. Is that glitter? Ain't that?
That's so sparkly. That's so sparkly, Jennifer. Oh my gosh.
Shut up!
So sparkly. You're so red. I'm not going to the mall with you later.
I don't want to go to the mall.
Get that. Gotta go get some shows at the mall.
Those are just some of the shimmer shades.
Shimmery.
Ultraviolet, Nebula, and Mercury.
Yeah.
I'll be using this in an upcoming Get Ready With Me or something like that. Now it's all over the place. I think those are all glitters. Okay, the next thing I got, oh, that was a choice item. And this was a choice item 2. It is from Mesology. It is a rose quartz gua sha facial moisturizer.
More than a luxurious
like
end
that.
to a masking sesh. Not session. Sesh. The gua sha boosts skin's radiance,
That's kinda small.
and smooth skin, reduces fine lines, and stimulates blood circulation. $45. Oh, and that other one was $67.
Yeah, but if you don't have BoxyCharm, this is on sale now, or goes on sale quite a bit if you want that palette. This I'm going to save for a giveaway. I don't use a lot of facial tools. So, okay, I'm going to do that with that.
Poke your face with this and poke your face with that.
Okay, what is this? Lovebirds. From Pretty Vulgar.
Lovebird's Lip Duo combines an ultra-pigmented matte liquid lipstick and a high-shine moisturizing clear lip gloss. Worn alone, the gloss provides a lustrous, non-sticky shine for all your favorite lip products, adding the vivid red before the gleaming gloss delivers a perfectly kissable pout.
Ooh, that's a
Some
nice
good
one.
alliteration going in there.
I love a good clear gloss. That doesn't have any glitters or rose petals or anything in it like that.
Sparkly bits.
Yeah, that's nice.
$30. Boxy exclusive.
Okay, what is this? Moonlit.
Some sort of box. Primed for the night. An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight form.
They're
What?
always sending me eyeshadow primers.
Look, you're rolling your eyes at me.
Go ahead.
Prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night. And enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever your adventures lead in the night.
I don't usually...
MSRP $18 in the night.
I don't usually use... Can you start adding things up? I don't usually use...
It's easier to add it up at the end because they're not in order.
Okay, whatever. It's not... I don't... How should I say this? I don't like eyeshadow primer. I haven't tried a lot of them, so I'm not saying there's not one out there for me, but...
This one has moonlight in it. Extract of moonlight.
I don't know anything about this brand. Don't open it.
You already opened it.
Don't open the bottle.
Oh. It's got cyclopentasiloxane. That's got to be good. Ooh, and quaternium 18 bentonite. Yeah, right, yeah. Trimethyl siloxysilicate. It's got some good long things in here. Discontinue use if signs of irritation appear. They don't usually put caution underneath the instructions. That worries me.
What does that say? Caution what?
Discontinue use if signs of irritation appear.
Oh.
I mean, that would just be true in general, right? I mean, but... Too much moon power.
Okay, that red dried down pretty fast. Oops, I got it on here. It didn't dry down all the way just yet. But I'll be giving that away in a giveaway. Next, we have the Vike Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray with Skincare Actives Clean Plus Nourish. I will go ahead and open
Makeup
this
Bell
up.
has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and makeup melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. So you don't need to wipe it. You just spray it and it just vaporizes your makeup and just floats away into the air.
It just melts.
Just melts down your face.
This is leaking or something?
Sounds kind of acidy. Just spray it. burns the makeup off your face with the power of antioxidants.
Oh, that's kind of strong. Okay, well, I'll give that a try. And I'll get back to y'all on how that goes. And the last thing is something from, Christoph Robin.
Christoph Robin.
He does hair stuff.
Christoph Robin and Win the Pooh.
And this is an instant volumizer.
With
Leave-in mist. Oh, I don't like getting hair stuff.
This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body, while delivering an easy-to-style hold, using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. $39. How many dollars per ounce is that? A lot.
I'm probably going to pass that on as well. So, what am I keeping? Okay, go ahead and start adding things up if you don't mind, please. The Christoph Robin stuff, I'm probably going to pass along because I already have hair stuff that I use. I have a lot of hair stuff to go through. I'm going to keep the Vike Makeup Melt. I'm going to pass along the Moonlit eyeshadow primer. I'm going to keep the Lovebirds duo here. I'm going
223 total.
I'm going to give away the Mesology Rose Quartz Washer, and I'm going to keep the Huda Mercury Retrograde. So I'm keeping 3 of the things and giving 3 away. So I think I got my money's worth. Excuse me. So yeah, I give it a 3 out of 5 box.
I give it a 2.5 out of 5. Difficult.
I kind of wish they put more name brands in the premium and say things like this for the base box, honestly. But, yeah, what are you gonna do? I guess you could cancel, but
Times it just do be like that.
I do like my BoxyCharms. So, yeah, that is it for this BoxyCharm unboxing. Tell us what you think down below. Did you get your BoxyCharm? What did you get? Did you get the same items? Are the Boxy twins? Did you pick the same options? Did you pick something different? We are very nosy. We want to know down below, right, Aaron?
Yep.
And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And this, I think, is kind of transferable, but you know, what are you gonna do? I still like the color a lot. So I can't really give you a good review of it unless I test it on my lips. So, okay, I hope y'all all having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful weekend or week whenever you are watching this. And if you are having an especially hard time, I hope something comes. Okay, I'm just messing up all over. We are sending you out those good vibes. So just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you tomorrow for another video. And okay, all right, stay well until then. Goodbye.
Bye.